Yeah, we'll proceed to the next lesson. So the next one would be this. Well, I'll use the same figure because then it's easy to really do it. Before I move on to the next one, this is rotation, right? What's another word for rotation? What's another word for rotation? Because it's nice to have a different word.
Turning?
Say that again, please.
Turning?
Yes, turning. Rotation is just like turning, right? And in pivot is a good one. Yeah, you pivot, and those were turning, pivot, and rotation. They use it quite a lot in the training of sports and games, right? So I went to train to be a basketball player once, and they all teach me is about rotation and pivoting. Very interesting. Yeah. And it's quite a simple idea, but in a game it's very useful. Okay, thank you for that. If this one is rotation or turning, what do you call the next one? I moved this from here to here, right? Okay, I moved this to here to here. That's a better one. So in all of this, we don't change the size. The size remains the same. Here, in rotation, the size remains the same, only the location. In here, the size remains. So I move this to here, from here to here. What did I do? Diagonal movement. Thank you. Right?
Just using big words.
So this one is basically, they call this translation. So translation is, to do translation, you need to have a line of translation. So you need to have kind of parallel line that encompasses them. So I'm going to draw that parallel line, yes, in translation, and that parallel line involves this, right? Yeah, that's the parallel line that encompasses those. So anything, when you move this rectangle from all the way here, from here to here or here, we can only see that here, any part of this you move, that's called a translation. Are there any questions with translation? Okay, no question. What other words can you say about translation? What are other words for translation? If we have turning for rotation, what is an equivalent word for translation? Because translation is a very mathematical world, but we need something more common in the world. There's one word that I can lead you to it, and it's about you play with it when you were growing up. Yes, you play with this when you're...
Nails.
Say that again?
Wait, what?
Nick.
You play this in ice. You play this in the playground.
Was that a ball?
Remember, you're moving a shape from one to...
Joking,
Yeah.
guys. Come on.
Right? So what do you do when you don't change, when you move without changing your position?
You can't.
Yes, you can. You do
You
it.
hurt your ankles.
You do it when you're growing up. Some people do it. I can move. I can move by
Well,
just
you tip
doing
over.
this. I can move by just doing this. See me? Like I'm doing this and I move. Or I can move. I run and then I could probably jump like this and then I move without changing position. Like that.
Fall.
Yes? Honestly. I move without changing position. Come on. You do it as a child.
I played on my own as a kid. Like, I didn't, like...
We do
Does
it.
this involve other people?
Oh, you know, we all do it. I see you do it.
Yes. Crying in the corner.
Okay, one example is to do this. You can see if you look from the top, right? Yeah. If I have a drone shot, right? If I have a drone shot and I see this going, moving like this. If I have a block of wood and it's like this and I see this going down from a drone shot, it's called a sliding. Yeah, you slide. Oh,
Sliding.
yeah, it's just basically sliding.
I see.
And what about the idea of when I do this? What activity is that? Yeah? My legs are constant, right, for a while. I do this, my legs are in a constant position, yeah, for a while. And then I would stop moving because I'm not doing anything.
What?
Easy. Can I tell you? You slide on ice when you're skating. Right? You slide.
Translation, skating.
That's basically what it is.
So are you talking about skating, Edwin?
Yeah,
You
when
must
you-
have plenty. Do you have any experience in ice skating?
Oh, I have lots and lots of experiencing.
Sorry.
One of my great experience about that is that when I slide with my bum.
Oh,
That's a good sliding.
that doesn't
That's
count.
what
Great fun.
This is all your homework now. Using a triangle, I want you to translate it. Do translation, which means sliding.